Well, welcome back. Yeah, I did a thing. I did a thing. It's not Impala related. It's not Angus related. It's not even my 21 Silverado related or Burt related. It is, however, I renamed the channel. Now, a lot of you know me as I995 Impala SS, and that's where my stickers and handles and all that stuff are. That's still going to be my handle. I'm going to leave that as is for right now. But I changed the name because it was just my full name. And I got quite the long Polish last name, and trying to pronounce Kawa blah 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 Osaki to people, they don't know how to spell it. So I just renamed the channel Two Stall Garage because I got two stalls. That's it. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me I'm an idiot, like everyone always does. Appreciate it. Now I gotta get back on working on projects. I got a cruise control to install.